Galapagos is a World Heritage Site. What does that mean? It means that all of us are just custodians of these islands, looking after them for generations to come. And of course, a big part of that is visiting the islands. People come from all over the world to experience the magic of the Galapagos. But what does it mean to those people who visit? So let's find out.
It's always been my dream to come to the Galapagos from when I was 5 years old. My name is Max Habiger, and I'm from Moses Lake, Washington. I'm 63 years old and happy to be here. The Galapagos has exceeded my expectations. I have never had that type of experience with that kind of an animal. You know, to see those in real life and so close. Today, this Max compared to a week ago is a different lady. A lot of that is the conservation part. It makes me want to go home and continue that in my life in whatever capacity, and supporting local nature and animals that I never thought I could do.
Oh, look. My name is Peaches Golding, and I'm from Bristol, England. This place is unparalleled. Unparalleled. Nothing beats this at all. It has given me enormous hope. Hope for the future. Hope because I see how the Galapagos have taken to heart the amazing environments and habitats among which they live, and how to look after those. And I think it's taught me that we can recover, renew. We can live a sustainable life alongside the wildlife that is around us, that makes us who we are, and we make them what they are. For me, the new environment was, can I snorkel? I'm a snorkeling virgin.
Well, Tavo, what a place. If you need help at any moment, just raise your hands and boat number 2 will come to your rescue, yeah?
This was something that I wasn't sure I could do.
Enjoy, Peaches!
Woo! And then there I was in the water. I was able to move around, float, see the turtle going back. Look at the ray over there. See this school of fish. To look at it with my own eyes and to be there and to be relaxed in that environment was fantastic. And I think the snorkeling experience has proven that I can do anything that I turn my mind to with the right help and assistance and support.
What up, Peaches? Superb! Galapagos offers an unparalleled set of experiences and sensations for anyone who comes here. And it's really difficult to summarize that. But maybe the best way to say it is you will be a different person when you leave the islands than the one who arrived at the islands.